Warning. The stunts you're about to see are performed by trained professionals in a controlled environment with the use of green screen, AI, and voiceovers. The creator has no affiliation with the account manager/editor. Don't try this at home. Hey man, before y'all get to crying in the comments or YouTube start tripping again, everything you see in this video was filmed with professionals in a closed course. Ain't nobody telling you to go do donuts in your mama's Civic out to the HEB, alright? This is all for the love for the culture. Now shout out to 956 takeovers. They pull up deep, loud, and rowdy. Viewer discretion is advised. Now enjoy the show.
Just made it to the 956 takeovers Sunday cruise the first spot. It's pretty chill, pretty dry. We're early as fuck, but let's see what clips we get and let's see what's up. That's clean.
Y'all already know, hey, B motherfuckers, we out here at fucking 956 takeovers. Hey, make sure y'all follow that Insta real quick.
Hey, hold on, make the noise, make the noise.
Huh?
Make the noise, make the
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Damn, this truck's so clean, bro.
Bitch, stop calling PD, bitch.
PD, I already got one, right? Go!
I'm fucking tweaking!
Ready? Was it that deep to have 3 cups? Alright, so we just made it to the 4th spot. Hey, but there's a cup right around the corner, so we'll see what's up. Man, there's hella fucking people. Whole lot of nothing. Hey, whole lot of nothing. I'ma back up. Got a lot of people here. We've been here for a fat minute. What's going on? What the hell? It's hurting my ears. Oh god. They're hurting my ears. to get hit. Not to get hit. So we just made it to one of the spots. The other two spots had gotten raided, so let's get some clips here. Let's see. We went inside with Taco P. I got some chips, but let's see what's up. I can't put down the chips. I have to put Johan behind the camera. Oh, what the fuck? I'm done eating the chips. There's no camera. You're dead! Damn, bro, people don't know how to drive out here, bro. Where we make it to?
We made it to Whataburger. 956 takeovers. Put Whataburger. I texted him, what's up, why, how come? And he was like, bro, I'm hungry as fuck, haven't ate all day. And yeah, we fucking made it here. It's pretty packed.
It's pretty chill, honestly.
For real. I'm surprised. But hey, let's go grub, let's go grub. Let's go grub, let's go grub.
77! 77! I'm waiting on my order. I ordered number one. What did you order?
Nothing, boy.
I got a number one. What did you get?
Oh, I got my burger right here. I got a number one with everything on it with large fries and
look at this
Dr.
shit.
Pepper. I'm gonna go like.
We're on top of Salinas' car, but dead ass.
Dude, we can't leave you out for a second unless you fucking be on top of over there. Nigga, you'll be waving down on us and shit. Fuck yeah, I'll somehow climb on top of that shit.
Alright, but that's it. Hey,
thank y'all motherfuckers for popping out tonight. You heard me? Like I said, next week gonna be a little bit better. Today was like more like a little chill night. As you can see over there. But make sure y'all pop out for next takeover. You heard me? It's gonna be lit next time. Like and subscribe and fucking share this fucking video, bro. It's not that hard, papa. So everybody was a fucking disappointment today. Alright. So everybody was a fucking disappointment today at home. Only 4 niggas spend it. What is up with that? It's on site with everybody. Why didn't you spin your shit? He didn't even take his car. Why did you use a bitch? Spin your shit. Why is he still there? Waiting for me. I swear he's waiting for me.
he wants you, eh?
Hey, motherfucker. Let me give him a 5-minute head start.
5-minute head start.
Y'all fuck with next me. Pop out.
We just made it. We just made it.